Okay, like I mentioned before, there are grooves inside here that match up with little notches on either side. Take the new part, push it on, and then we'll tighten this screw down up here, Phillips, and we'll plug everything back in before we forget. We'll tighten that down real quick. Nice and snug, it's not going to come off. Now before I pulled the steering wheel off, I did mark a little blue dot here and one on the steering wheel itself to indicate where alignment was. Since we're not doing anything with the steering, we should get it lined up. And then when you're driving down the road, the steering wheel won't be off center. Okay, I got the steering wheel back in place. That electrical unit just kind of snaps into place behind the steering column. I still have to hook all the wires back up to it. And I don't know how well you can see it. There's that little blue dot right there in the red light. Lines up with the blue dot on the steering column. So we'll put the nut on and tighten her down. Okay, now that we have everything wired back up, we've got white plug here, yellow plug here, smaller white plug goes back here. Not sure if you can see that very well. That should be all the wiring. Everything should be back together. Okay, we will turn the key off. And let's go reconnect the battery. Okay, all the wires are plugged back in. So we will grab the 10mm. Reconnect the battery. Always make sure your battery connections are clean so you get a good contact. Close the hood. Everything comes on. Turn the headlights on. do some checks. This is a non-functioning switch, but the one over here does work for the fog lights. Alright, let's back her out and start her up. Okay, we got the battery reconnected. Turn the ignition on. Pull back for flash to pass. I don't know if I can get everything in here at once. There you go. Turn the headlights on. Okay, everything seems to be working. We'll start her up and see how she acts. It might be a little hard to see, but everything seems to be working. So that concludes the headlight dimmer blinker switch replacement 2011 Subaru Legacy. Now I'm just going to take it for a test drive, make sure the steering wheel is in fact straight. Get my seatbelt on. Back out of the driveway. And we're going straight down the road. And steering wheel seems to be straight. I always like to do a thorough test drive. It might be off one little tooth, so we will go back and straighten that out. Alright, thanks for watching.